Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are here to talk about some more questions, some more important questions on American Romanticism. So this is going to be the second part of American Romanticism, and we are going to talk about really significant questions in this session. So let's begin with the second session on American Romanticism, and the first question is: best short poem in language is written for Byron's Thanatopsis. Who wrote it? So here we are talking about Byron's Thanatopsis, and here is a statement which is given by whom, and the statement is best short poem in language. So who wrote it for Byron's Thanatopsis? And the options are Tennyson, Browning, Arnold, and George Eliot. And the correct answer is Arnold. And the poem Thanatopsis talks about nature in context of death. So Arnold says that it is best short poem in language. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Arnold said this. Next question is: O Captain, My Captain is an elegy on the death of. O Captain, My Captain, which is a poem in Leaves of Grass by Walt Whitman. So, O Captain, My Captain is an elegy in Leaves of Grass. Leaves of Grass is an anthology, a collection of poems by Walt Whitman, and O Captain, My Captain is an elegy in Leaves of Grass. So, O Captain, My Captain is an elegy on the death of whom? And the options are Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, Thomas Gray, and John Milton. And the correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. Next question is: in which poem by Emily Dickinson sky is compared to molten blue? ओके, एमिली डिकिंसन की किस पोएम में स्काई को, आसमान को कंपेयर किया गया है मोल्टन ब्लू के साथ? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट स्टॉप फॉर डेथ, अ बर्ड केम डाउन द वॉक, अ लाइट एग्जिस्ट इन स्प्रिंग, आई टेस्ट अ लीकर नेवर ब्रूड. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज आई टेस्ट अ लीकर नेवर brewed. Next question is: do I contradict myself? Very well then, I contradict myself. This line occurs in, this is a statement, this is a quotation from a poem. Do I contradict myself? Very well then, I contradict myself. So this line occurs in which poem? And the options are I sing my body electric, O Captain, My Captain, Calamus, or Songs of Myself. And the correct answer is Songs of Myself, which is another poem from Leaves of Grass, which is written by Walt Whitman. The next question is: which famous poet's influence can be seen on Dickinson's She Died for Beauty? So there is a poem written by Emily Dickinson, She Died for Beauty. In this poem, Dickinson talks about the death of a woman who dies for beauty, and just after her death a man also dies, and it is not specified whether it is a man or a woman. The second person dies, and that person dies for truth. And this is how we come to know about the concept of truth is beauty, beauty is truth, which is given by a very famous poet, Keats. So beauty is truth, truth is beauty, truth beauty, beauty truth. That is a concept given by Keats, well known concept. So the correct answer is Keats, and other options were Browning, Shakespeare, none of these. So the right answer is Keats. The influence of Keats can be seen on Dickinson's poem She Died for Beauty. So the right answer is A, Keats. Next question is: कैथरीना इज़ अ कैरेक्टर इन विच ऑफ दीज वर्क्स? कैथरीना एक कैरेक्टर है, वो इनमें से किस वर्क में है वो कैरेक्टर? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर रिप वैन विंकल, लीजेंड ऑफ स्लीपी होलो, टेल्स ऑफ अ ट्रैवलर, और नन ऑफ दीज. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज Katharina is a character in Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Actually, there are two short stories in sketchbook of Geoffrey Crayon. One is Legend of Sleepy Hollow and other one is Rip Van Winkle. So there are two short stories in sketchbook of Geoffrey Crayon, and this work, sketchbook of Geoffrey Crayon, is written by Washington Irving, and Katharina is a character in second short story, which is Legend of Sleepy Hollow, right? Next question is, which of these months has been mentioned in A Light Exists in Spring? So this is a poem by Emily Dickinson, A Light Exists in Spring, and in this poem, which month is mentioned? And the options are February, March, April, and May. And the correct answer is March, because the beginning of March is mentioned in A Light Exists in Spring. So, correct answer is B, March. Next question is, Washington Irving wrote biography of which of these writers? वॉशिंगटन इरविंग ने किसकी बायोग्राफी लिखी है इन राइटर्स में से? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर रिचर्डसन, गोल्डस्मिथ, सैमुअल जॉनसन, James Boswell, and the correct answer is Goldsmith. Actually, the Washington Irving wrote biographies of two famous men, and these are Oliver Goldsmith and George Washington. So these two biographies, biography of Oliver Goldsmith and George Washington, is written by whom? Washington Irving, right? Next question is, हार्वे बर्च इज़ अ कैरेक्टर इन विच ऑफ दीज नॉवेल्स? हार्वे बर्च एक वेल नोन कैरेक्टर है, इनमें से किस नॉवेल्स में हार्वे बर्च नाम का कैरेक्टर है? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर स्कारलेट लेटर, वॉल्डन, मॉबी डिक एंड स्पाई, द स्पाई. सो there are four options and you have to identify Harvey Birch occurs in which of these novels or works, and the correct answer is Spy. Spy में Harvey Birch नाम का कैरेक्टर है, right? So the correct answer is D, The Spy. Harvey Birch appears in the novel The Spy. Next question is, who is known as American Goldsmith? Now the options are Herman Melville, Washington Irving, William Byron, Walt Whitman, and the correct answer is Washington Irving. And the correct answer is Washington Irving. Washington Irving is also known as father of American literature with Mark Twain, which we have already discussed in previous videos. So the correct answer for this question is Washington Irving, who is known as American Goldsmith. So the correct answer is B, Washington Irving, who is known as American Goldsmith. Next question is, who is known as ideal American folk hero? Ideal American folk hero, and the options are Harvey Birch, A.M. Bernard, Nettie Bumbo, Josephine, and the correct answer is Nettie Bumbo. Nettie Bumbo appears in which work? It appears in a work by James Cooper, and the name of the work is Leather Stocking Tale, and it is divided into 5 parts, and Nettie Bumbo is the hero of all those 5 parts. So Nettie Bumbo is known as ideal American folk hero. So C is the correct answer. Next question is, who is known as Sage of Concord? Sage of Concord किसे कहा जाता है? And the options are Douglas, Dickinson, Henry David Thoreau, Emerson, and the correct answer is Emerson. Emerson is known as Sage of Concord. Next question is, Jonathan Oldstyle is the pseudonym of which writer? Okay, pseudonym means pen name. So Jonathan Oldstyle is the pen name of which writer? And the options are Washington Irving, Douglas, Henry David Thoreau, and William Byron. So Jonathan Oldstyle is the pen name of which writer? Washington Irving. So there are 3 pen names or pseudonyms of Washington Irving. He writes under 3 pen names, and these are Jonathan Oldstyle, Geoffrey Crayon, and Dedrick Kniecker. So these are 3 pen names of which writer? Washington Irving. So here is the question, Jonathan Oldstyle is the pseudonym of which writer? Washington Irving. It is among the 3 pen names which I have already just mentioned, and one of these is Jonathan Oldstyle. So the correct answer is Washington Irving, A. Next question is, pen name of Louisa May Alcott. Louisa May Alcott का pen name क्या है? And the options are Geoffrey Crayon, Jonathan Oldstyle, Dedrick Knickerbocker, and A.M. Bernard. First 3 are the pen names of whom? I just mentioned in the previous slide, these are pen names of Washington Irving. First three, Geoffrey Crayon, Jonathan Oldstyle, Dedrich Knickerbocker. These are the pen names of Washington Irving, and the pen name of Louisa May Alcott is A.M. Bernard. So D. A.M. Bernard is right answer of this question. So pen name of Louisa May Alcott is A.M. Bernard. Okay. Next question is Walden, written by Henry David Thoreau, discusses the stay of the narrator as 7 years, 7 months, 7 days, 11 years, 11 months, 11 days, 1 year, 1 month, 1 day, 2 years, 2 months, 2 days. And the correct answer is 2 years, 2 months, and 2 days. So D is the correct answer. Next question is, what is the age of Joe when the novel Little Women opens? There is a novel written by Louisa May Alcott, and it is the first novel, I guess, which is Little Women, and it opens with 4 characters, and one of those 4 characters is Josephine, and here we are asking about the age of Joe when Little Women opens, and the correct answer, actually the options are 12, 14, 15 and 17, and the correct answer is 15 years old. When Little Women opens, the age of Joe is 15 years old. Now, Salma Gundi, a literary magazine, is a creation of. There is a literary magazine, Salma Gundi, which is written by whom? And the options are Melville, Harriet Beecher Stowe, Washington Irving, Walt Whitman. And the correct answer is Washington Irving. Salma Gundi is a literary magazine by Washington Irving. Next, as well as the last question of this session, as well as the session on American Romanticism, is, from which of these an American scholar should not get influence? Okay, and the options are society, nature, books and action. So in this work, American scholar is talked about, and American scholar should be influenced by nature, books and action, and society doesn't influence or impact an human being. So society is the correct answer, because there should not be effect of society on any human being, because one should live independently irrespective of social norms and conditions. So the correct answer is society. So that's all about this session. I have tried to include every important question and every important detail on American Romanticism. Next video I'm going to make on Victorian age of American literature. So stay connected, stay tuned to know more and to learn more. Thank you so much for watching this video.